Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Stephen Wong. Today we want to do the review of MHM M60A3 Patton in 1/35 scale. This kit I bought and assembled it on last year. I spent 36 ringgit for this kit. This is after discount. The original price was 45 ringgit. This kit I painted it with mix of Humbler and Mr. Color Acquisition series. This kit took me almost 1 week to finish this. Now let's talk about this kit. This kit relatively accurate in the shape because the shape of the M60 is nicely replicated. This kit also features the easier detachable turret, for example like this. And reattaching it itself is very simple. You just rotate it until it locks. This kit features rubber track, which for most people it is much easier than assembling it one by one, like in the current trend, which is from the separate pieces of plastic which you should assemble it again. This kit features nice decal for its price. But this kit itself is without the weakness. The weakness itself is the first. The instruction itself wasn't very clear. Okay, I thought in the instruction there is the supposed part, for example part X, but you cannot find that in the sprue, which made me headaches when assembling this. And another weakness is the turret fit. The turret fits itself wasn't very good enough. So it took me 5 hours to connect both the lower turret and then the upper turret section in this. Even this took, I also use tape for help to attaching it, but it doesn't really help. The other part is when assembling this, there is a supposed part that should be assembled in the turret based on from the instruction, but the kit doesn't feature the attaching point for the part that is required by the instruction. And also in the turret deck itself, it takes almost many attempts to figure out how to attach this, because the instruction isn't clear enough, and it's supposed to be 4, but the thing that I can attach is only 2 only. What is my review for this kit? This kit is cheap, yes. This kit is MHM. But the fit itself sometimes a problem. The instruction wasn't clear. Until now, I haven't still figured out what's the instruction say that? Because the instruction and the part isn't matched. My suggestion, if you want the cheap kit, or you want an experience of the tank kit, yes, this kit should be fine because it's cheap. But if you are serious builder, I suggest to not buy MHM, because MHM instruction is confusing, and also the part itself is very good enough. But if you want to challenge how to finish this, it should be fine for you. And for me, this kit tests my patience, because the illustration yeah, this kit is suitable who want to seek challenge, but I don't suggest this for an office scale model, because this kit requires some judgment, especially from the illustration, the instruction. And I must admit, the enjoyment of this kit is when I can finish this kit with good enough fit. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye, see you in next video.